Imagine if you had the chance to buy Nvidia back when it was trading for less than $50. Today, that small investment would have transformed into a life-changing fortune. The good news is that the AI revolution isn't over. It's simply entering a new phase where the picks and shovels of the industry are becoming just as valuable as the giants. While the headlines are dominated by trillion-dollar companies, there is a massive wave of innovation happening in the sub-$50 range. In this video, we are breaking down the best AI stocks you can pick up right now for less than the price of a nice dinner, companies that are providing the essential hardware, software, and infrastructure that keep the global AI engine running. We have to start with a household name that has reinvented itself for the modern era, Intel Corporation. For a long time, Intel was seen as the legacy player falling behind. But in 2026, the narrative has shifted completely. Trading consistently under $50, Intel is the cornerstone of the Made in America semiconductor movement. They aren't just making PC chips anymore. They are aggressively expanding their AI engines and software solutions. What makes Intel a standout at this price point is their massive investment in foundry services, meaning they are positioning themselves to manufacture chips for the rest of the world. As geopolitical tensions make domestic production a priority, Intel sits at the center of a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure play. For a long-term investor, catching Intel at this valuation is like betting on the foundation of the entire tech industry. Next on our radar is a company that is often called the hidden glue of the AI world, Ciena Corporation. If you haven't heard of them, you've definitely used their technology. Ciena specializes in optical networking, which is basically the high-speed plumbing that allows data to move between massive data centers at lightning speed. AI models require an unfathomable amount of data transmission, and Ciena's hardware is what makes that possible. They've recently captured a massive chunk of the market, now holding over 20% of the global share. As companies like Google and Meta build out their AI clouds, they need Ciena to connect the dots. With a valuation that often sits at a discount compared to the broader tech sector, Ciena represents a pure infrastructure play that is essential for the next decade of AI growth. Moving from hardware to the power that fuels it, we have to talk about Hut 8. This is a fascinating stock because it bridges the gap between digital assets and high-performance computing. Originally known for Bitcoin mining, Hut 8 has pivoted its massive data center footprint to support AI workloads. They own the energy, the servers, and the cloud infrastructure. In a world where compute is becoming the most valuable commodity on Earth, a company that owns its own power plants and data centers has a massive competitive advantage. At a price point that is accessible for almost any investor, Hut 8 offers a high-risk, high-reward opportunity to own a piece of the literal engine room of the internet. For those looking for a speculative play with massive upside, Nvidia Solutions is a name to watch. They are operating in the niche but explosive field of AI-powered video analytics. Think about smart cities, autonomous security, and industrial monitoring. All of these require AI that can see and understand the world in real time. Nvidia is a smaller player, often trading at a fraction of the price of the big tech firms. But they are securing contracts that could scale rapidly as the world moves toward fully automated surveillance and city management. It's a penny-adjacent stock compared to the giants, but it's the kind of company that could be a massive acquisition target for a larger firm looking to bolster its AI vision capabilities. Finally, we have to look toward the global stage, specifically the AI tigers emerging in international markets. Companies like Sagility India are revolutionizing how AI is used in the healthcare sector, providing AI-based business services that streamline everything from patient data to insurance claims. At a very affordable share price, it offers exposure to the massive digital transformation happening in the global south. When you invest in these sub-$50 stocks, you aren't just buying a ticker symbol. You're buying into the decentralized future of artificial intelligence. Remember, the goal of a 2026 portfolio isn't just to follow the hype, but to find the companies that are actually building the world. Diversifying into these affordable entries allows you to capture growth without needing $1 million starting balance. Keep your eyes on the fundamentals, stay patient, and let the AI revolution work for you.